We are playing a zombies match today. See what round we can get to.
Do you like this team? They're pretty good in basketball.
Put that hat away.
No.
I get this barrier right here.
That.
No. Wait. I get this barrier
Yeah.
and up there. You
Okay.
get that barrier right there.
Yes, sir. Grenade! You are dead. Dolphin dive.
And when my zombies come out, don't kill them. Because my strategy is to let them come out.
Okay, sir.
Well, that's for what I do. So I can get points by rebuilding the barriers.
Boom. Yeah, I'm in dolphin dive downstairs. Ready. Oh crap. He's hiding in the corner.
Dolphin dive on me. Wait, not dolphin dive.